In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hide your following list on Instagram. The simplest and most reliable way to keep your following list private is to make your account private, which limits what non-followers can see. When your account is private, only people you approve can view your posts, your followers, and the list of accounts you follow. Everyone else will only see your profile photo, bio, and maybe your follower count, but not the lists themselves. It's a quick setting that makes a big difference for privacy. If your account is public, anyone can open your profile and scan through those lists. By switching to private, you decide who gets that window into your activity without unfollowing anyone or deleting anything. Start by opening the Instagram app and heading to your profile. Tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner, so you are looking at your own grid and bio. If you manage more than one account, double-check the username at the top to make sure you are on the account you want to update. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This opens the main menu, where Instagram groups app-wide controls. From here, choose Settings and Activity. This section is where you can adjust how your account behaves, how you are notified, and your privacy and security options. Instagram occasionally updates menu names, but the privacy controls are always in this general area. Inside Settings and Activity, select Account Privacy. This page is dedicated to who can see your content and interact with your account. You will see a clear option for Private Account. Toggle Private Account to On. If Instagram asks you to confirm, go ahead and accept. The change takes effect immediately. From now on, only people you approve as followers can see your full profile, including your following and followers lists. Existing followers keep their access, and any new people who want to follow you will send a request that you can approve or ignore. This doesn't delete any content, it just controls visibility for people who don't follow you. A couple of helpful notes as you finish up. Switching to private won't affect your messages, and it won't hide your profile picture or bio. It simply keeps your posts, stories, and those detailed follower and following lists out of public view. If you ever change your mind later, you can come back to the same place and turn private account off, and your profile will become public again. That's it. Thanks for watching.